recorded? Yeah, recording already. So we go back to our attendance below. So this is block 3. So I need to see your name. So here we are. See this. Itulah. Everybody here. I'll take the attendance here. Alright, so today is the 9 of not the 9 6th of September. So we have, let's see who is here. Faiza is here. Where is Faiza? Bular mata, cannot see the screen. The biggest I can have here. Faiza is here. Okay. We have Ifa here. We have Ruzain here. We have Lokman here. We have Nazira. Have to make it bigger. Too small. We have Anis. Mana kan si Anis tadi? Anis here. We have Kasrina. Where is Kasrina? Jantunah here. Kasrina. We have Kawi. Mana kan nama Kawi yang itu dah? We have Safwa. We have Kila. Ada. We have Noriziana. And then we have Syazali. Wai nada. Tadi I see Wai bah. Mana tu nak? Wai ada. So Amal Hana nada. Mana nada. Syahira nada. And Fatin Zahira pun nada. Aiman pun nada. Si Haswani nada. And Hamizan pun nada. Okay. For those who are present later, you let me know. Yeah. Now, have you tried the paper 5 already?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, good. I like to hear that. Sudah buat. Yeah. So today we will be discussing this paper 5. Yeah. Okay. I'll be discussing this one with you today lah. So only question number 1 saja. So hang on, I add my pen color first. Blue. We have a red color. Maybe another green color. So I assume that you already has read through the question. So basically, you have a cylinder, and then you are given the area A, and then the height H. And what did the student do is the student placed the cylinder and a heater in a beaker of water. Then the heater is switched on, and the student measured the time taken for the temperature to increase by delta theta. Delta theta. What is mean by delta theta? Let me see. Faiza, are you there, Faiza? Faiza? Nada. Online tapi nada orang Ifa?
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by this delta theta? Apa yang dimaksudkan delta theta ni?
The change in temperature.
So how do I find out the change in temperature? Macam mana usulnya ta? Any formula that you need to know?
Final temperature minus the initial.
Alright. So thank you, Ifa. So this one you need to have the final minus the initial temperature. Thank you, Ifa. Then we look at the next question here. We have it is a number of cylinder of the same material available, but with different cross-sectional area. So you have a lot of cylinder. to be precise, you have a smaller one, you have a bigger one. Okay, same material with different cross. So meaning that they have the same height. Yeah. So there's a lot of cylinder. They'll have the same height, bigger again like that. So bigger again like that. So the height is the same. Available in this experiment. It suggested that T is A is this following thing, and then P is the power, and then W and Z are the constant. So here is the keyword here. Design a laboratory experiment to test the relationship between T and A. So these are what we call the variable that you want to find out, the T and the A. And then of course you have the constant. This constant WZ you can ignore first lah. Alright, let's see how we're gonna do. Remember last time I used to teach you, we need to draw a table kan? We need to draw a table. So macam mana sajalah for this coming Thursday, kamu buat table tu saja. No need to describe much. Tapi dalam table tu kamu try to squeeze as many information as you can. So the table I modified a bit. I modified a bit here. So what happened is on the left hand side, you will have independent variable. Sorry, I write down here. Yep. Okay, this one will be the independent variable. After this, I share with you lah, so that you can use it for your own use lah. Something that you vary, and then you have the dependent variable, something that you measure. So have another color, maybe some dark color thing, thinner a bit. Yeah, so this dark color, I put it down here lah. And then we also have the constant. Okay, we also have the constant. So you make a table macam mana, okay? Then you can start describing them lah. Okay, you can start describe them. So can I have siapa ni? Faiza kah? Faiza is it? Faiza, are you there? Faiza? Oh, Faiza.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're back online now.
Yeah.
Faiza. Oh, lagging. Can you tell me what is the independent variable sama dependent variable, Faiza?
Independent yang ditukar.
Yeah, something
Wait,
that you yang kau vary, yeah, you tukar, correct. Then dependent is something that you
find.
Huh?
Something you find. Wait, so tanya the okay.
Let me show you here lah. So which of this variable is independent? Which of this is non-independent? Boleh lah? Ya kali ya. Ini dulu lah. Dapat.
Sir. Independent A.
Okay, independent is A, and your measure will be T.
Okay.
T dependent. All right. So that means you change the cylinder. You change the cylinder, and you measure the time. Yeah. You measure the time for it to change the temperature. Thank you. So come back to the name list again. Siapa ni yang kedua ni? Let me check. Fatin Naziha kan ni? Yeah. Fatin Naziha, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me macam mana kau cari area?
First find the diameter using vernier calipers.
Okay, thank you. So this one, hang on. Find, or we use measure diameter using what again? Fatin?
Vernier caliper.
Oh, vernier caliper. And then, what do you do with the diameter to get the area?
Divide by 2 to find the radius.
Okay, then divided by 2 to get, and then area macam mana?
Pakai formula pi r square.
Pi r square. So kirakan you substitute this one into here lah, right? Thank you very much. Next one, who is this? Cannot see. Mesti mau full screen. Oh. Next one we have Rosaine. Yeah, Rosaine. Rosaine, are you here, Rosaine? Okay, lagging also again. Rosaine, are you there? No? Okay, so we skip Rosaine first. Lokman, are you there, Lokman?
Yes.
Yeah, Lokman, can you tell me how do I measure the time? Yeah. What kind of instrument I use to measure the time?
Stopwatch.
Okay, we have a stopwatch. So use a stopwatch to measure T. Any precaution I can improve the time? Is there anything I can do to improve my measurement of time?
Take more reading and find the average.
So repeat T and find average. All right, thank you, Lokman. Mizan, ada si Mizan?
Yes.
Yes, Mizan is here. How are you, Mizan? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Kejap. Let me show you the soalannya dulu. So this is the soalannya. Alright. Ani tadi si Faiza say variable independent sama dependent is 80. So can you give me all the constant? Semua constant yang perlu dicari. Ya. Yeah. Boleh kau beritahu semua constant yang boleh kau cari? What is the constant? If you look at this picture here. Let me show you. Ani sudah kena pakai. Ani sudah kena pakai. So what will be the constant in this page here? Yeah.
Yang lain semua.
So what are they?
W.
Okay.
W and Z.
Huh?
The theta.
W, Z, delta theta, and ada lagi?
P.
Ada lagi?
Ada.
W, Z, ada lagi? Kalau kau lihat sebelah, ada lagi tu.
H.
Kan ni H, yes, correct. So you have a H. Alright, so these are the constant. So this one no need to describe, pasalnya yan ada dalam sana. Alright, thank you, Mizan. So let me look at the list again. So we have, after Mizan, we have Nazira. Yes, Nazira, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what is the instrument you use to measure delta theta? This one. What is the instrument you use to measure? Again?
Thermometer.
Thermometer. Alright. What about power? Nazira, kalau power, what will be the...
Use formula P is equal to IV. And then I found dari ammeter. And then V from voltmeter.
Okay. Okay. Alang-alang lah. Last one lah. Ya. Kalau H macam mana?
Use
Nazira.
ruler.
Use ruler. Thank you. So these are all the description. So over this side here, you describe how to measure. So dalam sekarang hari Khamis ni, you think of this table lah. You make a table look like this. So you have all these variable here, all the variable here, and then you describe every one of them. Yeah, describe every one of them. So now let's go back to the picture. So you have the cylinder. Okay, you have the cylinder. So what you gonna do with the cylinder is you want to place in water. So let me show you here. Where is it? Let me show you here. The student placed the cylinder and elevator in a bigger water. Okay, in a bigger water. So that means dalam gambaran ni, ia mesti simpan dalam air. Okay, you have to put into the water like this. So this is the water. And then you must have the heater. So heater, we normally draw like this lah. Okay, we put down the heater. So we have a coil, and then we have a wire outside, and then this one will be connected to a power supply. Yeah, and then we might need a resistor here. Yeah. Okay, something like this. So this resistor is to prevent overload. Yeah, prevent overload the heater, because if you don't have a resistor, all the current will flow through the heater. It might damage. All right. So something like, we need to have a thermometer also. So you need to have a thermometer somewhere in the water. Okay. Maybe this one is clamped by a retort stand somewhere here. Yeah, clamped by a retort stand. And then this one you label as a thermometer. Okay. And then what else we didn't label? Oh, we need a switch. Yeah, I forget we need a switch here. Okay, we need a switch to turn on and turn off the circuit. All right. So next one, we have analysis. Analysis normally worth 3 marks. Okay, so can I have, let's see who is here again. After Nazira, Anis, are you there, Anis? Adakah si Anis ni? Anis, are you there, Anis? Anis nada. Then never mind. Kasrina, are you there, Kasrina?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Kasrina, can you have a look at this formula here? So macam mana analyze the expression ni? Macam mana, what do I need to do first? PT equal to AHW delta theta Z delta theta. You have any idea? Yes, Kasrina, you there?
Sorry, sir. Cannot hear your voice clearly.
Oh, okay. I write down saja lah. You let me
Okay.
know. What should you do? Yeah. Cannot hear you also. Not really good connection, huh? It's okay. It's okay, Kasrina. It's okay. We wait for now. Kawi, yeah. Can I have Kawi, please?
Yes, sir.
Kawi, can you tell me what you should do with this expression? Yes, Kawi?
Uh, maybe
Nada.
ano ba siya?
No.
Oh, no lah. Kita tak tahu lah. What about Safwa? Safwa, what do you think, Safwa?
Make the independent subject.
Make the independent the subject. Okay. Independent. So you remember we say that this is the variable, yeah, that we want to no, we want to test. This is the test relationship. Yeah, this is the test relationship. So you want to make this the subject. So kalau Safwa, kau lihat dari formula ni, Safwa, which is easier to make the subject? T is easier to make the subject or A is easier to make the subject?
T.
T, yeah? Alright. So, thank you, Safwa. Let's continue. Let's make T the subject, okay? T the subject. So now we have T equal to AH W delta theta over P plus Z delta theta over P. So we want to make T and A. Yeah? We want to make the T and A. So we take the A out. T equal to, the A, we take it outside, become A like that. So become H W delta theta over P plus this one will be the whole thing lah, Z delta theta over P. And this is what we have our equation of straight line plus C. So this one, the Y is your T, your gradient will be this one, and then this one will be your this one will be your X series, and this one will be your Y intercept. Yeah. All right. Can I have somebody here? Kila, yeah. Kila, are you there, Kila?
Yes, sir.
So, macam mana saya cari W ni? How do I equate this one?
W is equal to
I want to find out.
gradient.
Huh?
Gradient is equal to W delta theta over P.
Kejap ah. You mean this one kah? M equal to HW delta theta over P. Is this what you mean?
Yes, sir.
So you have to make it W, you have to make it W. The W will be, sorry. So W will be gradient, gradient time P over H delta theta. Okay, yeah. What about your y-intercept? Yeah. What about your y-intercept? What is the equation for y-intercept?
Z delta theta over P.
Okay. So you make Z the subject. Over delta theta. Yeah. So this one should be doable already. And then of course, thank you, Kila. Thank you, Kila. Okay. Just for information, this is very important. It valid. Okay. It valid only if a straight line. It is a straight line. So this is a straight line with y-intercept. Yeah, with y-intercept. Because as you can see from here, ia ada y-intercept. Kalau yang hari tu, the question 5.1, there is no y-intercept. But this one has a y-intercept. So that means it must pass through a y-intercept. Alright, so now we have the last part here, which I want to intro is called the safety. Yeah, safety and additional info. So this will be the last column. So this is analysis. Alright, let's say who is the next one. Shahir, Noriziana. Are you here, Noriziana? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes.
Can you give me one safety precaution in handling this thing?
Wear glove to prevent burns from
Oh.
hot beacon.
Thank you. So, wear glove to prevent apa?
Burn.
Prevent burn from hot liquid and so on. Okay, thank you. What about the next one? We have Shahira. Yeah.
Yes, kalau pakai safety goggles supaya hindi masuk mata.
Kalau
Air.
safety Google normally is not recommended here. Boleh cubalah, cuba saja. Use safety Google. Thank you. Yeah, Google. Ngamba Google. Shazali, are you there? Shazali.
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell me any other safety precaution that I can use here? Ataupun additional information? Ada?
Nada, sir.
Okay, that's all you think. Wai.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anything you want to add on to my description here? Analysis.
Itu sir, kan apa ni kita ni pakai thermometer sir. Ni steer the water supaya the temperature is
balance lah. Evenly
balance.
evenly spread. Alright, so we have one here. Steer the water to evenly spread the heat source. Oh, we have Fatin Zahira. Zahira, are you there? Zahira, can you hear me, Zahira? Adakah? Zahira, I see you here in the chat room, but can you respond, Zahira? Okay, I think Zahira cannot hear. So you go back to the front again. We have Fatin. This is not Fatin. Faiza ke tu? Is that the Faiza? Oh, Fatin Naziha, sorry. Fatin Naziha. Fatin Naziha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anything you want to add on to this additional information yang kau buat punya?
Insulate the beaker.
Oh, insulate the beaker. Insulate the beaker to avoid or to reduce the heat loss lah. Okay, because as Fatin Naziha say, yeah, kan you doing experiment with heat, right? So it's better you have some sort of a insulation here, maybe some sort of a foam ka, sponge ka apa, so that ia punya heat itu nda banyak escape, ya, nda banyak escape. So it will be more accurate lah. Kalau boleh you add another lid lagi lah, you close it with a lid, then it will be much better anulah, much better information, ya. Maybe you can put with a foam, or you can say with a lid lah. Okay. What else? Oh, cancel. Wait. Let me check one thing. Yeah, it's okay. Salah. Color notes here. So we have. Sorry, I need to get back to the student list here. Yeah. All right. Next one we have. Who is the next one here? Ifa, you have anything to add, Ifa?
No, sir.
No, sir. So maybe atu saja kali ya. We check the answer now lah. Okay, we check the answer now and see how many mark can we get. So this is the answer here. Kejap. This is the answer 5-2. Oh, this how I write down here. Maybe I read. Apa namanya? Padam dulu . Too many scrap here. Yeah. I write it off first. Just now the block 1 pakai this one just now. So a bit mess. Alright, there's another one here. Mark it off. Okay. Watch day. Wait sabar . Okay, be patient a bit. Alright, let's see. So the first one just now, Faiza mentioned the independent and dependent. So this one is correct. So we get 1 mark here. And then also Hamizan talk about the constant theta, 1 mark. And then let's look at the diagram. We have beaker in water, we have cylinder in water, we have electrical heater in the water, we have thermometer, and we did label at least 3, heater, thermometer, cylinder, water. So this one we have a 1 mark here. And then here, we missed this mark, habislah. We didn't say how to find out the ammeter and the wattmeter. So maybe I add on here lah. So the ammeter must be next to the power supply, and the wattmeter must be across the power supply. This one is for us to find out the power to the IV. So sadly, this one will get 0 mark here. Determine using thermometer, using the stopwatch. Yes, we have 1 mark. Fatin Naziha just now said diameter and so on. Yes, we find out the A. And then we remember Safwa just now. Safwa mentioned plot T, the subject. Okay, so this one is the one we have. And then we have Kila answer the W and Z with 1 mark here. So together in the front page, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 mark here. And then we look at the safety. So safety, Syahira saya pakai globe Oh, Nuriziana pakai globe. Yeah, so we have a 1 mark. Oh, Syahira saya pakai Google. So Google dah dapat Syahira. Okay, according to this mark scheme here, they say globe saja. And then also Hamizan mentioned P and H. So this is another 1 mark here. And then we have insulate. Sorry. Keep temperature. This one nobody say. Keep the volume of the water constant sama temperature constant nada. So I tambah sini lah. keep initial temperature constant or the volume of the water constant. Supaya sama-sama bah. So every time you change the cylinder, temperature increase atau mesti sama. And then also you can say the volume is also the same. Okay, so this one we miss lah. And then use vernier caliper to caliper to find H. Yeah, we did that. Repeat diameter. Adakah? Do we say something like that? Repeat. See. Oh, we didn't say that one. Okay, so maybe we add on here lagi. We miss. Just now si Lokman is the time taken. So we say repeat D and H at different position and take average. Yeah, take average. So we miss this one also. Banyak miss this one also we miss it 0. We miss it 0. And this one is by Nazira just now using power the IV. Link to the picture. And then measure time. This is by Lokman one. We did just now. Ensure heater cylinder are submerged or stir. This one by YE. We have mentioned this one just now. Relationship valid if fast origin. This one I did mention to you just now. And last one is insulate. Yeah, we also have this one. So if we check the mark here, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have an 8 mark here. 8 plus 7 does mean we actually score 15. Yeah, we score 15 out of 15. Now come back to your part here. I like to go through again one by one with you all. Okay, we start with the bottom one first lah. Zahira, are you here? Zahira, can you hear me, Zahira? Jangan malu-malu. Alright, no response. Why?
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to comment or you want to ask about our answer here?
Nada, sir.
Nada. Okay. Syazali,
Yes, sir.
ada soalan? Any question?
No.
No question. Thank you. Syahira?
Nada, sir.
Nada. Okay. Next, Noriziana?
Nada, sir.
Nada. Wait. So meaning that yang nada soal atau hari Kamis, you can get full mark dah.
Sir, aku ada, sir.
Amin,
yes,
insyaAllah.
Yes, Oi.
Sir. Yang power tu, sir.
Sekali?
Pakai IV kan, sir. Kalau pakai formula lain, sir, ada macam V square over R. So, pakai R. Dapat ke, Jod?
Nggak dapat. Sebabnya this one, kalau kau baca soalannya is power. Kejap let me show you the soalannya. Soalannya tu nah. Power of the heater. So power of the heater. Cause we tadi dah tahu the resistance of the heater bah. Tadi dah tahu the resistance lah. Jadinya we cannot use the I square R and not recommended lah. Okay. Power of heater. So we payah sikit, we don't know the resistance. So not advised lah pakai IV sajalah. Alright. Next we have Nora Akila. Akila ada Akila? Soalan?
Kalau check for zero errors,
Sekali lagi?
kalau check for zero error,
Check for zero error. Okay. Boleh buat, tapi ada mark scheme nada check for zero error. If you look at the mark scheme here, yeah, Nadaya pasal anu saja. There is no check for zero error. Yang ada ni saja. Repeat measurement ni saja. So, dah lah, dah dapat. Ya. Okay, ya. So, we move on to the next one. We have Safwa.
Macam mana tahu which one is independent variables and independent variables?
Okay, good question. Macam mana tahu which one is independent variable or dependent variable? Macam mana sajalah. Saya tambah sini ya. How to know independent variable or dependent variable? Now, you need to read the question, ya. Read the question. Kau mesti baca soalannya dulu. Find out what two variable they want to test. So meaningnya kau mesti baca soalan dulu, kau cari these two variable. Memang kena beritahu tu. Dalam soalan always kena beritahu. For example, this one. Let me show you here. Tuna. This is what they want to find out here. To test the relationship between T and A. So you have to come back to this statement here again. So the answer here will be T and A. You want to find out T and A. Then you need to ask yourself, should I vary T and measure A, or should I vary A and measure T? Kalau kau lihat soalan ni, statement ni is a bit weird, ya. Statement ni is a bit weird. You are changing the time taken. Macam mana kau ubah time-nya tu then kau sukat the area of your cylinder. Kalau kau lihat yang bawah ni, kau tukar the area of the cylinder which is available in the question. Karena beritahu tadi you are given a lot of cylinder with different cross-sectional area kan. So kau mesti make your own judgment lah. So you have to vary the area and you measure time. Measure time is doable, ya. Is doable. That's why we use this one lah. Kalau kau nak tahu independent ke ataupun dependent, jangan kau buat ani lah. Kira kau buat this one saja. Vary sama measure saja. Sorry. Kira kalau you confused with these two, ya, you can just use this vary and measure saja, Safwa. Daripada kau panding sekarang, apa independentnya? What is dependent? So you tend to mix up lah. So use this word sajalah. Vary sama measure in your table lah. Okay Safwa?
Okay, sir.
Kawi?
How to know yang diagram tu lurus? Like, macam ada yang ketinggalan.
Oh, this one you have to try your best. Kan you ada table ni kan? Kau ada table semua ni. Kau sudah buat A, T, W, Z, delta, theta, P atau. So you try your best lah. Make sure that gambar yang kau buat itu boleh cari T, boleh cari delta, theta, boleh cari power, boleh cari H lah. Make sure that semua tu kau ada tunjukkan dalam gambar lah. Macam ni time-nya memang nada lah time-nya, tapi kau boleh show find power, find the temperature, ya, and find the length ni pun boleh and so on lah. So this one memang payah. Diagram tu memang payah. So tapi don't worry Kawi. Kalau diagrammu salah ke apakah, it's just only a 1 mark saja Kawi. So not to worry lah. Anis. Oh Anis, Are you here, Anis?
Yes, sir.
Any question, Anis? Okay, this is the one that you see on the screen. Yeah.
Pasal data analysis tu kan,
Aha.
macam mana tahu memasatukan jadi subjek?
Oh, this one.
Aku not sure actually.
Okay. So again, you need to read the question here again. Anis, tu. Ani two variable on yeah. So every soalan ada ia punya dua variable that you want to test. Let me show you. This is the two variable here. Okay. Nah, tu nah ni. Memang ada ni this one. Every year they will ask you, they want to scan this, measure this and so on. So it's up to you. You see, ya T sama A kan ni, Anis? So it's up to you. Kau mau buat T the subject pun boleh. Kau mau buat T the subject boleh. Kau buat A the subject pun boleh. Sama saja tu. Janjinya, ia mesti independent variable sama dependent variable. So kalau kau buat T the subject pun boleh juga. Kau buat A the subject pun boleh juga. Pentingnya, you must identify these two. Independent variable sama dependent variable. Okay, Anis, we will try tomorrow some more lagi lah. Okay. Nazira? Nazira, are you there?
So, yes. Ada diagram kan ada resistance.
Yeah.
Boleh nada kah? Kan mesti ada.
Okay. Let me check the mark schema. Nak payah? No need. Yeah. This one boleh abaikan. Because I thought this one can be a additional info bah. Additional info. Tapi since nada, so no need lah. Okay.
Okay.
Ada lagi? Mizan. Yes, Nazira.
Sorry. Yang V tu kenapa ya indah connect sama heater? Because bukannya cakap minta power of heater.
Oh, you got a good point here. So this one power supply betul? Oh yeah. So this one salah lah tu. So it has to be here. Thank you, Nazira, for your info. So the V itu arah sini tu parallel to the heater. Alright, thank you. Ada lagi? Habis Okay.
Habis.
Mizan. Jangan tidur Mizan. Oi Mizan.
Nah, ada sir.
Okay. Kamu ada chemistry kan ya?
Yes.
Okay. We quickly go over this one then we finish lah. Lokman. Okay, Lokman.
Yes.
Ada soalan Lokman?
Nada.
Then we have the other one, cannot see the face. Who is this? Ruzain.
Nada, sir.
Nada. Ifa?
The table atau sir, buat the table saja kah? For
buat
the
macam mana
exam.
saja. Hari Khamis
So
nanti
no need
kamu buat
to buat one by one.
Tak payah, buat macam mana saja. Just like
okay.
what I did here. Senang bah. Kalau tak, kamu buat table, kamu buat lagi wasting time. Fatin,
Okay.
Nazia?
Yang pasal statement itu kan sir, relationship is valid if only straight line. Some of the question aku buat mesti pass through origin. Bila pakai pass through origin?
Kalau nada y-intercept. Kalau
nada, okay.
Ani ngam-ngam soalan ni ada y-intercept bah. Kalau ada y-intercept, terpaksa kau sebut ada pass through the y-intercept lah. Kalau ada y-intercept, pass through origin lah.
Okay.
Okay, Haswani?
Nada, sir.
Nada. But I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your present. I hope this will help you for your coming paper 5 this Thursday. So try to score as many as you can. So I will be here to clear your doubt. That's all today. So tomorrow we do question 2. So please be on time and be available. All right. You
Okay,
may
sir.
go now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Good luck
sir.
for those checking chemistry.
Arigato.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, wait, ada soalan.